All right, so I'm out here today with some of the crew, and we are looking at something that might start a new adventure and new crazy chapter in our life. So here we go. Alrighty, so here, what we're looking at 5 different buses today. What do you think? You want that one? So these are 2006 the RE300s with DT 466s. They're 40 footers if I remember. So we are going to check the 5 of these out and see which ones we like, and then maybe we will be bidding on these things. There's 34 21s there, and then there's 3 more somewhere else.
We're gonna put seats right here so you guys can ride.
Look out, Tay.
The windows look to be pretty good. The back ones I don't care as much about.
Yeah. Well, there's like a little half window.
That's cool.
So there's the emergency exit.
And then there's a window here.
The giant big hatches too.
Yes. Which is cool because like we can hop out of the back of our area. We can put like a ladder back there.
All right, so we're gonna crawl under and around and all over these things, and see which one we like best. This is 21. Doesn't sit in a while. It's like mold growing on the steering wheel.
Daddy, come back here! Come back here, Daddy! Slide!
Yeah, the floors probably got some rust. Oop. Yeah, sliding ramp.
My hands are getting back.
What do you think, bud?
Hey, I have to be in the video.
Hey, this is your first time in a school bus, isn't it?
Is this your first time in a school bus?
Yes!
You like this one?
Yeah.
Is that where you're gonna sleep, right there?
No. When Mommy says I'm going.
It said by like 15.
No, where Mommy says you're gonna sleep, somewhere right around probably 15.
Hey, Daddy, look. It's a slide. Ready? Yet?
Okay, so we spent some time looking at the buses, and we got it narrowed down to 2 buses, bus 11 and bus 21, just based off of their condition and what parts have been replaced on them. We just felt that those 2 were our best choices. The first bus that went up for auction of what we were interested in was bus 11. We watched bus 34, which was up for auction first, which we had no interest in. So then bus 11 came up for auction, and we started bidding. I think everybody's just waiting.
He knows we go 20 minutes over.
Last one went 20 minutes over.
Just put in a bid to make it 26 or something. So we'll kind of see what this guy is wanting to do. You know what I mean?
You've been outbid.
Huh?
You've been outbid.
To 27? Can you change that?
No, it's the net. He went to 2650.
The same guy?
I don't know. Yeah, we're just gonna have to keep going until we get above his max.
Which is probably 4,100, 4,200.
Probably. You might as well bid again because we're not winning it.
Okay.
What do we want to go to?
4,100.
Okay, so I'm gonna put 36. It's currently have the highest bid. Yeah, so we just got over his.
He's gonna wait till that minute mark.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get down low and then he's gonna bump it up. Hopefully he's got another auction going on right now he's got to attend to.
Are we idiots?
Well, yes.
There
Oh,
he
the
goes.
Zim. Nope, that's the Zims.
Who's his name? Oh.
They were the ones that
Yeah.
were one of the second bidders. Hopefully those other two just got into some bidding war.
What was that?
Hopefully the first two guys were just in a little war with each other, and
Oh yeah.
we got a little bit more to go.
Well, if they bid, then we're out.
Yeah. Well, no, it'll take.
Because if they bid 4,100, then we're at 4,100. So they'd have to jump over it.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I don't know how that works. It may not let them.
There it goes.
Yep. Oh, see who it is.
Yep.
Yeah.
Guess we'll just watch it for a minute and see what happens.
Yeah.
So if we go for 42, then.
I mean, that last one went for 44, so. And this one has less miles, so they're more inclined to bid this one up a little higher.
Do we do 4,200?
We could try it as just one last one.
Like a minute left?
Yeah.
Like
It'll probably
jump back.
Yeah.
But then, what are you waiting for?
I'm gonna be that guy.
You want to do it for under a minute just to make him mad. There you go. Now go ahead. 5 minutes.
Now I gotta wait 5 minutes.
This is it. Like, that's.
Yeah, because if we bid again, it'd still keep us under 5.
Yeah, but still, this is. We're already going above what we said.
Yeah. Well, we had also talked about out the door at 5.
Yeah.
So that's where I was kind of thinking with that too. Like, I'm okay with going a little more because
As long as we're out the door at 5.
we're out the door at 5. If I do, that's the last time.
Okay, we'll just go ahead and do it and we'll just see what he does. We're done. Put that aside. Seriously.
Nope.
Nope. We didn't get it. That's okay.
There's always more.
I wish you could say, like, I'm done so I can just
Right.
end.
All right, so as you can see, we did not win bus 11, but that's okay because when God closes one door, he opens another. So bus 31 was up next. It was a bus that we weren't interested in, but we watched it anyways. The very first auction was like 4,400. Bus 11 was like 4,300, I think. We watched bus 31 go, and it went for like, I think 38 or almost 3,900. And then so up next was bus 21, the second and last bus that we were interested in bidding on. And immediately we saw that this one was different because the auction started extremely slow. The first buses, they jumped up real quick. And this one just started off, the auction opened at $1,500, and it was just really slowly moving upwards, which was very different from the other ones. So here's how that one plays out.
I'm kind of worried about this one. Why is it so low?
If this one comes through, we get this thing for $1,800. I'm gonna be.
Can you say number 21?
Number 21, too.
It's gonna get to a minute and it's gonna go up.
Yeah, probably.
Are we seriously gonna win this thing on a whim? There's less than a minute left.
Okay.
50 seconds.
Was this a bum bus?
Oh, okay. It's there.
Okay, there it goes. Junk.
Junk 400. Should we go again on it?
Sure. It's slowing down at 2.
Yeah.
What was our final payout?
Like 2,100.
We got a long
Less
5
than
minutes.
22. Reserve's not met yet, but
But they could, if it's only 2,000, they could just let it go.
yeah. I don't get that. If this one, even if we don't get it and it goes super cheap, why?
That kind of scares me though. Why?
Guy's gonna extend this auction out really long.
Mm-hmm. Well, he might get it at 2,100 because we're not going number 2 for this one.
Yeah. Even though it was our number 1 pick.
Or do you? I'm worried about why it was so black.
It could be an exhaust leak. And it sprays the
Because I'm not as concerned
We'll just
about
watch
the
it.
rust.
It's got nice tires and nice tank and nice.
Yeah.
It's got nice back tires too.
Yeah.
And new batteries.
So maybe we should go up on this one.
Yeah, we'll see what it does.
Mom, it's ready.
Okay, I'll be right there, baby girl.
No, Elsa.
Sorry, I'll be right there, Queen Elsa.
And you.
How did we almost get that bus for $1,800? Like it was.
Like 30 seconds to spare.
Yeah. Why can that guy's internet have glitched?
Right.
Okay. As soon as it goes under a minute, I think someone's gonna bid.
No way. Come here, sissy.
What?
Come here. Hurry.
No,
Come here, hurry. Queen Elsa, come here.
okay.
Come here.
What?
Look, we might get this bus.
Are you serious?
We might get this bus.
For half of what we were gonna pay for the other
I
one?
want it. I
Number
want it.
21. Yep.
Hold on, stay right there.
Ready? Uh-oh.
Mm.
Did we get a bus?
Mhm.
Do you think we got it?
Yeah.
Don't blow on it. It's not refreshing. 17 seconds.
Wait, did we
No
get
way.
Are you serious?
it? Mom, can you?
No way.
Hold on, Tay.
Okay, look. Look. Oh my gosh.
Do we get to get it?
Are you serious?
Yep, we just won a bus.
Mom.
We just won a bus.
Are you? We got it for less than half of what we were paying for the other one.
That's okay. We just got a bus date, Ty.
All right.
Hey.
We just got a bus.
We got a bus.
Mom.
Sissy.
Now what do I do?
We got a bus. It was the one you really loved.
Well, the reserve wasn't met, so
They just said you had to call back.
yeah. It's $25 short of the reserve.
Yeah.
So
That really just happened.
okay. So you know how we won the bus, right?
No.
We won that bus, and they said that we could buy it.
Yeah.
You want to buy it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit the blue bar.
This one?
Yep. Maybe. Maybe. Oh.
What?
It says an error has occurred. Maybe we'll try again later. Hold on, let me try it again now. Here, hit the blue bar again.
Okay.
Hey, you bought a bus.
What?
What do you think of that?
A 5-year-old bought a bus.
Why can't I press the C?
You good? Okay. Here, hold on, let me do this. Okay. Let me press that. That's the bus we bought. That's the bus you bought. High five. Alrighty. And hopefully we'll pick it up in a couple of days. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
That's our bus. What number is that?
41.
What's the first number?
Huh?
Hold on, what's the first number?
2,
Yep.
2, 1.
So what is it?
21.
21.
Oh, that's cool. I like the back. Out. How do you put that sign out?
I don't know, we'll have to figure out how to put the stop sign out.
Like inside. This seat's
Which
okay.
seat's gonna be yours?
Right here.
That one?
Yeah.
Nerd alert, nerd alert.
Front of the bus?
Yep.
Pretty cool, huh? Alright.
Yeah, just give it.
Your first time riding in a school bus will be the one that we bought. How's that sound?
No, I bought.
Oh, sorry.
Mm.
Alright, so you guys might be wondering what is going on with this video since I didn't explain anything in the beginning. So, what are we doing? Well, and why are we buying a bus? Well, we're going to build a schoolie. You might be asking what a schoolie is.
Yeah, the giggles.
That's a good
That
start.
did not even make any sense. That's making me.
Well, what's not making sense so far?
Making me sense.
What's not making sense so far is this video.
Not
So that brings me to our next point. Why are we buying a bus? Well, we bought the bus so that we can build a schoolie. If you don't know what a schoolie is, it's basically a RV or like a tiny home on wheels.
Yeah.
And why are we building a schoolie? Well, we're building a schoolie because we feel as though we've been called to U.S. missions.
There's a lot of details that are involved with that, but ultimately, the ultimate goal is to bring God's love wherever we go, to bring hope to the hopeless, help to the helpless through Jesus. So when two or more are gathered, there is a force to be reckoned with.
Family First One.
And that is how we came up with our name, Family Force. And our bus will be called,
One.
what is it?
Family First One.
Family Force
Yep.
One.
Family Force One.
Yep,
How about
good job.
Family First 100?
No, Family Force One. So through all this U.S. missions, we'll be traveling across the U.S., across the country with these three crazy kids. I know, we're crazy to be doing this because taking 3 kids and a small little tuna can across the country, but whatever, we are crazy. I've proven that in the past. But through doing all this, we'll be able to experience just the beautiful creation that God has for us in the United States. There'll be many teaching moments for the kids and for us, just showing God's beauty and all the experiences that come with that.
So there's a verse that God laid on our heart, and we kind of have it as, I guess, our mission statement. And that is, "But my life is worth nothing to me unless I use it for finishing the work assigned me by the Lord Jesus, the work of telling others the good news about the wonderful grace of God." Acts 20:24.
Axe? Like axe?
No, acts, like
In the
acts
Bible.
of kindness, not like axes and chopping wood.
Yeah. You got me
Act.
confused.
Act.
Axe?
We are creating a Instagram account for the bus and the bus build. It is going to be familyforce_1. That's going to be linked in the description below. As far as the channel goes, Straight Cut Gears, everything's going to go as normal. The bus build is going to be on here, but it's going to coincide with the Flexus, the Hawk, the custom line build. Nothing is really changing with the channel. It's just
We're
another
not
build.
busy.
Huh?
We're not busy.
We're not busy, no. No. So I just added another project. And the next video, stay tuned because we will be bringing this bus home. We'll be bringing Family Force One home. So guys, stay tuned. And as always, drop any questions or comments down below. Tune in next time.
Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. We'll smash the like button whenever you guys are ready. And we're gonna play I think so. Bye.